Welcome to the Microsoft Partner Skilling Hub, your single destination for partner skilling. The hub is designed to help partners skill their teams, build Microsoft credentials, and accelerate their journey toward becoming a frontier firm. To get started, select Create New Account, register using your professional email, and follow the prompts to complete registration. Once you are logged in, you can access all of the site's features. The Explore Content section makes it easy to discover the right learning opportunity for whatever your needs are. You can browse by solution area or filter by region to find localized deliveries. Events can also be explored by stage: project ready, tech deal ready, and sales ready, helping teams build delivery skills, support deal execution, and sell Microsoft solutions with confidence as they move from foundational knowledge to real customer readiness. You can also browse by skilling initiative, including certification weeks, AI Tour for Partners, and our global series of regional in-person workshops. Whether your team prefers on-demand modules, live virtual sessions, or in-person events, the Hub lets you filter by delivery method so you can choose the learning format that works best for you. You can also search via the Explore and Discover search bar. Filter by category, solution area, skill level, and more to discover live events, self-paced courses, and skilling tailored to you. The Resources section brings together everything partners need to plan, promote, and track skilling across their organization. You can download the Partner Skilling Calendar for a month at a glance view of events, key dates, and milestones. The Partner Skilling Playbook gives you a complete overview of Microsoft's skilling offerings, including how they map to the frontier firm journey. You'll also find monthly skilling updates, solution area one-pagers, and the 2026 course catalog, your guide to all available workshops and trainings aligned to Microsoft's priority solution plays. This page is your library of go-to resources to help you plan and activate partner skilling at scale. This is the FAQ page, your quick guide to common questions about the Microsoft Partner Skilling Hub. If you ever need help, you can reach our team at askskilling@microsoft.com for support with your account, courses, or technical issues. To stay connected with new courses, events, and updates, be sure to subscribe to the newsletter. Visit aka.ms/partnerskilling to get started today. Now, let's explore some of the Microsoft Partner Skilling offerings you can access via the Skilling Hub. Level Up for Partners is your always-on digital learning platform for Microsoft Cloud Skilling. Sponsored by Microsoft, it gives your sellers, pre-sales teams, and delivery engineers access to high-value sales-ready, tech deal-ready, and project-ready courses, all anchored on our core solution areas and GTM solution plays. Learners move at their own pace, follow guided learning paths, complete assessments, and earn badges to show progress. With multilingual support and built-in help, Level Up makes it easy to scale skills across your entire organization. Through Level Up, partners can also earn a free Microsoft exam voucher by completing a course and scoring 80% or higher on the practice test. Visit the Partner Skilling Hub at aka.ms/partnerskilling to learn more. The Microsoft Titan Skilling Academy is an immersive learning framework that helps partner sellers, pre-sales specialists, and technical delivery teams deepen their skills across Microsoft solution areas. You choose a Titan path aligned to your role, complete real-world tasks, and earn badges that showcase your expertise. Learners move through videos, quizzes, and applied projects at their own pace, with badges that can be highlighted on LinkedIn to demonstrate sales-ready, tech deal-ready, and project-ready capability. Visit the Partner Skilling Hub at aka.ms/partnerskilling to learn more. Microsoft AI Tour for Partners is an immersive, in-person companion series to the global Microsoft AI Tour. In a single day, partners hear keynotes from corporate and regional leaders, join dedicated sales and technical excellence tracks, and engage in SDC go-to-market sessions. The event brings together executive meetings, demos, hands-on labs, surface booths, and a dedicated networking hub in local language, helping partners explore the latest Microsoft AI and agentic solutions, refine their go-to-market, and connect directly with Microsoft experts and peers. Learn more at aka.ms/AI Tour for Partners.